Okay, so this is a case printing for the Pi 3. You could put a fan on it. I noticed that when I tried to do the ham clock, the thing definitely ran really warm. So we're in here trying to print this thing now, but I'm going to show you where I found it. It was on Thingiverse. Somewhere buried. There used to be one I printed before it broke when I was trying to assemble it, but these are supposed to be able to snap in. So we're using the PETG. It's stringing a little bit on this printer, not too bad, but it's definitely printing a lot easier than PLA. Let me see if I go up to the very first page and see if I can find this thing. So here's one of them. This has the thing where you can expose the GPIO. There's lots of really interesting ones for Octoprint and stuff like that. A lot of them really smother, I think, and trap the heat in. A lot of the stuff that people do with these looks pretty funny. The Apple iMac Pi. There's this type here. It's very similar to what I printed. Let's see, where is it at? So I believe this is the one right here. Let's go take a look and see. Yeah, so this is the one. So the design has that lip on it. So hopefully this is better than the one I printed previously. So they have a couple of versions when you download the file. Like one like that, one like that, one like that. So I figured I'll use up some of this PETG and go ahead and try a few different ones. So I need to go and see what fans I have that might fit that, so that should be cool. I would prefer to probably put the fan on the outside instead of on the inside, but we'll see.